Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hai teman-teman. Di sini aku akan menjelaskan apa itu prosedur teks. Prosedur teks itu adalah suatu step by step atau langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu dan ada tahapan dan caranya. Di sini aku menjadi di prosedur teks ini ada 3 tahapan atau 3 bagian. Nah, jadi dalam teks prosedur itu terdapat ada 3 bagian atau 3 struktur di dalamnya. Ada goals, ada material, yaitu bahan-bahan, dan ada juga step, yaitu langkah-langkah untuk pembuatannya. Nah, di sini aku sudah menjelaskan prosedur teks. Mari kita praktekkan. Kita akan membuat dessert box Oreo and biscuit. Oke, let's get it down. Sekarang kita membuat. Let's go. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are always healthy. Let me introducing myself. My name is Melisa Saraswati with NPM 20323054 from class C2 to 3 Industrial Engineering Study Program. Here I will explain how to make Oreo Dessert in English. And this is my final English semester exam assessment with teaching lecturer Honorable Mr. Darmawan Yudhanegara. Hi, I wish healthy year. Enjoy watching everyone. The first step is prepare the pan and all material. Set a sheet of white bread, liquid milk, and 1 packet of coconut milk, 10 sachets of sweetened oatmeal, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 10 glass of Oreo and biscuit. You have to set aside the edge of the brown bread with the knife, and they're all already ready. If you have it such just right. And then let's mix the flour the first one. You have to put the liquid milk into the pan. Anyway, not endorsed, so please ignore the brand. Okay, then the next one is a pancake of coconut milk, and then add onto the bread the whole coconut milk, and the next one is the sweetened condensed milk. Nah, it's done. And the next one is sugar. We can put four tablespoons of sugar. Well, all the materials already in the pan. Now just let's boil. While boiling, we have to shred all the materials. Then wait for till this is boiled. Well, for the flour is almost ready. And the last step we have to put into the flour is the cornstarch. We can put into this flour after put in, we have to stir it till it's boiled. Don't stop stirring. We have to wait for it till it's finished. Okay, well, the flour is ready. And now let's arrange all the bread into this container. Well, we can put the foundation first. Then, okay, put the flour on it. Put the flour again into the container on the bread. Make sure that all the flour and is covering the bread. And put all the flour in it, so it's gonna be melting and so temperating, guys. You can see after this, okay? Well, I have put all the flour into the container, and the dessert box Oreo is almost ready. Then one more step that have to do is put the Oreo and biscuit. To beat the topping. Well, no, the dessert box is ready. Dessert box Oreo and biscuits is ready, guys. Okay. Dessert box is Oreo and biscuit and very beautiful. Hi guys. Well, now the dessert box is ready. Nah, teman-teman, jadi prosedur teks itu adalah intinya itu menjelaskan bagaimana step-step membuat sesuatu atau langkah-langkah melakukan sesuatu. Sekian dari saya, Melisa Saraswati. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan kata, kesalahan penulisan, dan kesalahan ucap dalam berbahasa Inggris. Saya juga masih belajar. Semoga video saya ini bermanfaat untuk kalian semua dan kalian bisa mencoba membuat di rumah dessert box Oreo biskuit dengan mudah. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye everyone.